In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a digital signature in Gmail. This simple process takes only a few minutes and can significantly enhance your email's professionalism. Let's dive in. To begin, open up your web browser and log into your Gmail account. If you're already on the home page, you're a step ahead. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the Gmail interface, where you'll find the gear icon. This is your settings button, a crucial tool for customizing your email settings, including setting up your signature. Give that gear icon a click, and you'll see a drop-down menu displaying a few quick settings options. However, we need to go deeper into the settings, so select See All Settings from the menu. This action will take you to a comprehensive settings page filled with various options tailored to your Gmail experience. On this page, you'll encounter multiple tabs, but for our purpose today, stay focused on the first tab labeled General. Within this tab lies an array of settings, but the spotlight today is on the Signature feature. Scroll through the General tab until you spot the Signature section. This is where the transformation begins. Once you've located the Signature section, you'll notice an option to Create New. Click on this, and a pop-up will emerge, asking you to name your new signature. Naming it is entirely up to you. Perhaps something as straightforward as Work or Personal will suffice, depending on your needs. After naming your signature, a text box will appear right below it. This is your canvas. Enter the details you want to feature in your signature: your name, phone number, job title, or any other pertinent information you see fit. Additionally, above this text box, you'll find formatting options to customize your text style further. Whether you want to use bold, italics, or different font sizes, you have the creative freedom to make your signature as unique and professional as your heart desires. After crafting your text signature, you might want to incorporate an image, like a company logo, to enhance its flair. To do so, click the image icon located in the formatting toolbar. From there, you can upload an image directly from your computer or use a URL to insert it. After your signature is perfectly customized, don't forget the last crucial step. Scroll to the bottom of the settings page and hit Save Changes. This action ensures all your hard work is saved and that your new signature is appended to your future emails automatically. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully created a personalized email signature in Gmail. Now, every time you compose a new email, your unique signature will appear at the bottom, saving you time and keeping your communication consistent and professional.